Hello there guys, welcome back to the e-bike repairs YouTube channel. My name's Dash and I take apart and fix very fun and exciting stuff. E-bike batteries, motors, scooter parts, exciting stuff. Anyway, I've gotten this. This is from a same bike, I think, 48 volt 10 amp hour battery, meant to be 54.6 volts, 2 amp charging, blah 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 blah. Anyway, so we should be looking at 10S5P. What we're getting on the output is the key switch doesn't seem to make a difference. We seem to be getting 35 volts. When it's actually under load, you get about 5.6 volts. So it's not working. I thought we together as one could pop it open, have a little look. I've lost my screwdriver. I'm using this one instead. It's my surprisingly not awful AliExpress screwdriver. Got a whole video on that in case anyone is interested. It's pulling the whole thing out with it. Okay. Not how that normally goes, but sure. There we go. There's not a lot of room in there, is there? 3 screws to take it apart, as you probably just saw. The switch should do an on and off. It's not doing an on and off for reasons unbeknownst to me. I'm just going to check what bike it is. It's a... Yep. It is indeed a same bike. Or sound bike, or however you desire to say it. Pop those out. Is that all our room? That's all our room. And then I'm guessing we've got a couple of bits of silicone, and I'm going to bash it on the table till it comes out, because professional. Thankfully not siliconed in an insane amount, just somewhat. Don't mind somewhat. A bit. Probably a very good idea, stop it all wobbling out about. Right, I'm going to tap this on the side of the desk and see what happens. Thinks about moving or not. Let's have a go at that side maybe. Yeah, look, she's coming out. She's coming out. Just at her own pace. I can only get 2 of the screws out of the plastic housing, and the other got seized in there, and freedom. Apparently it just comes straight out of its heat shrink. It leaves the heat shrink in there. So that's interesting. Fish paper around the pack. We've got the brown cells. Interestingly, I've just done a pack with the brown cells. Look. GZNS cells. Just been looking inside. That doesn't go with that. Just been looking inside that one. These are the same GZNS cells. If I lift that up, you can read that. Some amount. 10S5P. Hot glued together. No cell holders because they don't fit. Bloody stupid wires everywhere. Hate the wires everywhere. But I do understand it's the only way to fit things inside something, but just design the bike frame to fit. You know? Why make it a pain in the bum? Why not just make it nice? Nice and easy. That's good. That's broken. Okay. How much of the fish paper can I get off without actually having to take it all off? Oh, about that much. Nice. I haven't actually seen what happens if I plug it into a charger yet, but I don't really want to, so. We've got no real marking, just PCB 020105. You're looking at that upside down, but so am I, so it's fine. See what's going on over here. There is not a lot of room to work with, is there? Power switch wise goes through a thermistor. Okay. It's a weird place for a temperature sensor to be on the key switch wires, but I guess if the key switch isn't doing anything, could indicate a problem with that. We'll see. We'll see. And there we go. Just try and remove this silicone off the top of the JST here so I can get it off. Right, there's not much room between the negative and all this, so let's hope I don't slip with the old screwdriver. JST off, there you go. Freedom! The tiniest little bit of freedom. And I'll get this plugged into my super handy dandy testing machine. Battery balancing machine it is really, but for this purposes it's just a testing machine. Let's see what we've got. Turn it on, might help. Okay. Oh no, we've got dead cells galore. Sure it's not my connections. But loads of dead cells. 1 and 2 are dead. I'll pop you down. You can have a look yourself, can you? Whee! Pop you over here. There you go. Yeah. Dead cell, dead cell, dead cell, dead cell, dead cell. And it's on 15 instead. That's weird. Oh, I've not plugged it in right. We've probably only got 2 dead cell groups because I started at 3 and 4. Very interesting. I think that'll be then 2 dead cell groups because I've started 2 after. No, 3. Look, there's 9 is dead as well. Oh, that's not good. I'll check for loose connections, but I'm pretty sure let's have it. Let's see, shall we? Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, no, rusty leaky cells. Oh, funny, off it goes. So you can see just from evidence here, leaked, that cell's leaked out. Which means other ones are going to have as well. I actually don't think I'm tearing this down any further. That's probably the end of that. But these are quite clearly not loose. The pack doesn't look to have been physically damaged or water damaged from rust, but yeah, there's some cells have failed, unfortunately. Oh, that answers that, doesn't it? Unfortunately, it's going to be a new pack job for this customer, because I don't want to rebuild this because it looks horrible. Thank you very much for watching. If this helped anybody out, please feel free to leave a like, share, subscribe, comment, whatever you feel like doing, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.